happy to be here. It's an honor to be associated with HSW Embroidery Machines. As a company, they're not just doing a business, but they're also empowering the entire country because they're empowering the women of the country, and that's what's really, really important. How many entrepreneurs here? Of course, all of you are entrepreneurs. That is what makes India so vibrant, and makes every business click here, because women here have that urge to do businesses. And I was just talking to Tapan Kapadia sir just now, and he just gave me some insight, especially during COVID. I hear that so many women, when their husbands lost their jobs, they used these sewing machines, these embroidery machines, and did businesses, and they took care of companies, and they took care of their families. And I think that really, really touched my heart, because that is so beautiful to hear. And hats off to all those women who have really stood on their feet and supported their families during tough times, during COVID. And it's really, really a privilege to be here to support these women, and to be felicitating all the dealers as well. And I heard that all the machines, they're used for various, whether it's fashion garments, whether it's uniforms, they're everywhere, and they can be used to support so many businesses. And these are the real heroes, because in front we see the fashion brand or the garment brand, but what goes behind it are these machines which people are using to make these garments. And I think that is what is really important, the unsung heroes. So today's event is not just a business event, it's an event where we're felicitating these women heroes, the ones who are using these machines to support their families and to come out as emerging entrepreneurs. And before I conclude, I really want to have everyone give a big round of applause to Tapan Kapadia sir and ma'am. They've done a wonderful job, and may you continue to empower women this way, and may you continue to grow as a company as well. Thank you.